Have you ever wondered if the eggs in your fridge are still good to eat? Before you crack one open and risk a surprise, here's a quick and reliable way to test egg freshness using just a bowl of water. Let's dive in. Fill a bowl with cold water and gently place your eggs inside. Now, here's what happens. Fresh eggs sink straight to the bottom and lie flat on their side. Slightly older eggs will sink, but tilt upward. They're still safe to eat but should be used soon. Stale eggs float to the top. That means it's time to throw them out. Here are a few extra tips to help you handle eggs safely. Check the pack date or expiration date on the carton. Eggs are usually safe to eat for 3 to 5 weeks after purchase if kept refrigerated. Try the candling method. Hold an egg up to a bright light in a dark room. Fresh eggs will look clear inside, while older ones may show dark spots or a larger air pocket. Do a smell test after cracking. A fresh egg has little to no smell. If it smells sulfur-like or rotten, discard it immediately. Proper storage matters. Keep eggs in their carton, inside the fridge, not on the door. Here the temperature is more stable. So there you have it, an easy kitchen hack to check your eggs before you cook. Fresh eggs sink, stale eggs float. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick kitchen tips, and share it with a friend who loves cooking. Thanks for watching.